My name is Bekky Beukes. I am a St. Pete resident. I'm originally from South Africa. So this behind me is the mural that I'm creating for Shine 2018. As a female artist, I think it's great that we're coming out and doing these murals, the street art sort of visual work that typically has always been dominated by men, and I can see why, because it's really brutal. So I'm really proud of all the girls that are out there at the moment, and I'm so grateful for the support that we have here in St. Pete, especially you know, people coming by and just sharing words of encouragement just really helps us to keep going when you feel like you just want to go pass out for a minute. It's going to be a great result for St. Pete, and I think we're going to have some awesome new murals, which I think we can all be proud of as well. So it's been a great experience so far.